Good morning everyone. Welcome to online class of Modi Public School. Today we are going to discuss part 5 of chapter number 6 fractions. And the topics which we are going to discuss are conversions of mixed fractions and the second topic is addition of fractions. Let us start. This is page number 60 of your maths book. Page number 60. Question number 1. Question number 1 is convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. Now, improper fractions are given to us and we are supposed to convert them into mixed fraction. Now, let us see how we can do this. Here, I am telling you a part of it. Question is 17 upon 5. Clearly, it is improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. So, it is an improper fraction. So, to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we will divide 17 by 5. Okay, we will divide 17 by 5. Now, 5 3 times is 15. We all know 5 3 times is 15. Now, 17 minus 15 is 2. 17 minus 15 is 2. Okay. Now, here we will arrange these numbers. Now, we have to check how we arrange these numbers. We will first write the denominator will remain as it is, means 5 will remain here at its place. And here this 2 will come upside, means 2 will come here. And this 3 will come to this side, means 3 will come here. So, this is the mixed form of this improper fraction 17 upon 5. So, this is the cycle which you gonna use. 5 will come here in denominator, 2 will come at numerator's place and 3 will come at whole numbers place. So, this is the way we can arrange these numbers and all the parts will be solved in same manner. Let us now discuss next question, that is question number 2. Let us read question number 2. Question number 2 is convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now, mixed fractions are already given to us and we have to convert them into improper. Let us see A part. Okay, question number 2, A part. And the question is 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. Here, this is the number, this is the fraction, this is a mixed fraction. Now, we will first write denominator as it is. Okay, denominator will be written as it is. Then this whole number will be multiplied by the denominator, means 2 multiplied by 4. Whatever the whole number is, we will multiply it by the denominator and then we will add the numerator. This numerator will be added. Okay, this is the step which we have to follow. Now, 2 4s is 8 plus 3 by 4. Now, 8 plus 3 is 11 and denominator is 4. So, the fraction is 11 upon 4. So, we have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. In same way, all rest of the parts will be solved. Let us now discuss the topic number 2, that is addition of fractions, and it is very simple. Here we will divide this addition of fractions into two parts. We will divide this addition of fractions into two parts. And what these two parts are? Firstly, whenever the fractions are like fractions, means when the given fractions are like and when the given fractions are unlike. Okay. Now let us see for the like fractions, how to add like fractions. Here, add the question number first of addition of fractions is add the following fractions. First is 7 upon 13 plus 2 upon 13. Now you can see 7/13 and 2/13 both are like fractions. Both are like fractions. Okay, their denominators are same. Their denominators are same. So we will firstly write the denominator one time only, because both the fractions are having same denominator. So we will write them only once, and then we will directly add the numerator. Okay, we will directly add the numerator, and the numerators are 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is 9/13. Answer is 9/13. So this will be our answer. So whenever we have a like fraction, we will write the denominator only one time, and then we will add their numerator directly. Okay, this will be the step. Also, if you are getting your answer in improper form, improper fraction form, then you will convert it into mixed number. Okay, if you are having your answer as an improper fraction, you will convert it into mixed number. Also, if you find any denominator or numerator can be reduced into its simplest form, then you will reduce it into its simplest form also. Clear? So we have discussed about like fractions. Now the second type which we are going to discuss is unlike fractions. Means when the denominators are different. So let us see how we will do this. Here I am taking 8th part of it. Okay, this is 8th part of addition of fraction, and the question is 7/12 plus 5/18. Now you can see that their denominators are different. Their denominators are different. So in this condition, we will first calculate LCM of the denominators. Means LCM of 12 and 18. Okay, LCM of 12 and 18. So LCM of 12 and 18 we have to calculate. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Then again we will take 2 3s are 6, and then 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and then again 3 1s are 3. So its LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. It means their LCM is 36. What we have done, just revise. We have calculated LCM of the denominators, and the denominators are 12 and 18. The LCM is 36. Okay, LCM is 36. Now after this, here I am writing the rest of the steps. Okay, after this, here I am writing, we will write the denominator as the LCM. Means the LCM which we have got, we will write it as the denominator. We have written it. Now we have to check that how many times 36 comes in table of 12. Okay, and 36 to 12 3s is 36. Yes, 12 3s is 36. So we will multiply 3 by 7, means by the numerator. Again we will check in 18, table of 18, how many times 36 comes? 2 times. 18 2s is 36. So 5 multiplied by 2. This is the step which we have to follow. Now 7 3s is 21, and 5 2s is 10 upon 36. Now we will add it. It is 31 upon 36. So here the numbers are 12 and 18. Again please revise it. Whenever the fractions are unlike fractions, जब भी हमारे दिए हुए fractions unlike होंगे, ऐसी condition में हम denominators का पहले LCM calculate करेंगे. LCM हमें यहाँ पे मिल गया है 36. अब ये जो LCM होगा उसे हम डिनोमिनेटर बना देंगे, जो भी हमें LCM मिला है. आपको चेक करना है इस डिनोमिनेटर की टेबल में 36 कितने टाइम्स आ रहा है. 3 टाइम्स आ रहा है. 3 को हम इसके न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखेंगे. प्लस यहाँ पे प्लस का साइन है तो हम प्लस लिखेंगे. अब हमें चेक करना है 18 की टेबल में 36 कितने टाइम्स आता है. 18 की टेबल में 36 2 टाइम्स आता है, तो 2 को हम इसके न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अब हम इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड कर देंगे और ये हमारा आंसर है. अगर हमारा आंसर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में है तो आप उसे मिक्स नंबर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, और अगर वो रिड्यूस हो सकता है, मीन्स अगर उनमें कुछ भी कॉमन है, तो हम उसको डिवाइड करके रिड्यूस करके लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में आंसर देंगे. So these are the two ways to add the fractions, when the fractions are like fractions and when the fractions are unlike. So both are having separate way. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.